Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to generate a quote using Zoho CRM. Whether you are a veteran user or a newcomer, this walkthrough will help optimize your sales workflow by building quotes directly in the platform, increasing your efficiency and helping you close deals faster. Begin by visiting the Zoho CRM homepage. This software is globally recognized for its powerful sales management tools. Once on the site, locate the sign-in area. Zoho integrates perfectly with Google, so you can simply click the Google icon to log in quickly. This is ideal for users who want to keep their credentials organized through a single consolidated account. After clicking the icon, pick the specific account you intend to use for your business operations. Ensure you select the correct profile to prevent mixing your professional data with personal accounts. It's a simple click, but accuracy here is vital to avoid confusion later. Once logged in, head over to the Contacts tab. This area houses all your leads and client information. Since quotes are usually tied to a specific person, this is where the process begins. Look through your list of leads to find the individual you are targeting. You might need to scroll a bit, so double-check that you have picked the right contact. With the lead selected, find the Quotes section, which is generally located toward the bottom of the information page. Click the New button to initiate the document. Creating a quote involves detailing key information like the subject and the specific items being offered. Enter all necessary data, including product titles, quantities, pricing, and any unique terms or conditions. Take your time to fill out every field accurately to ensure the final document is professional and complete. After verifying the information, hit Save. Your new quote is now stored in Zoho CRM and linked to your chosen contact. It is now ready for review, sending to clients, or further modification. You have successfully learned how to build a quote in Zoho CRM, a vital skill for effective sales management. This centralized approach saves time and improves productivity across your pipeline. Remember that mastering these tools comes with practice. Explore the various features available to fully enhance your sales process. Happy quoting!